there are two things that are really important to associates. One is pay, and the other is their space. And if you can create an environment where their space is really working for them and it's very positive, then it does a lot in terms of building morale in the organization, making them more productive, and making them proud of the place that they work.
There's a huge amount of competition between employers for what I call that knowledge worker.
What we wanted to do was to move to an environment in which the facility, including all of the space layout, the furnishings, everything, actually became a business enabler.
An employer has to be able to offer those intangibles, both in the workspace and in what the person does and in how they do their work during the day for them to be an attractive employer. You can only do so much with salary. The competitive nature of today's environment means that speed is everything, speed to market. The collaborative nature of the space is part of the solution to that. If people can get together very, very quickly in a team and discuss a new idea, then what that does is that it speeds up the life cycle of that product.
So we've done a major shift from lots of offices and cubby spaces to a very open, collaborative workspace.
You walk through the new headquarters today, you can see that people are taking advantage of that. A bunch of people will get together, they'll literally go 5 feet, go into a conference room, and they'll start having a brainstorming session for some new idea, and the stuff gets written all over the walls. It's great.
So one of the things that was a driver was to be able to encourage interaction, collaboration, to provide flexibility. And because of that, we wanted to provide all types of spaces for the worker and for collaboration, most specifically, to get all these great ideas flowing up and together. We have enclosed spaces, private offices, all with glass. We have other enclosed spaces that are project rooms, work rooms, conference rooms. So that it wasn't just about sitting at your desk and coming and punching into a Dilbert world. It was all about creating very casual, very fun, very kind of hip space.
We're seeing people get up from their own workspace to reach out to somebody in another space, and we're seeing more use of the casual collaboration spaces, which is really exciting. So we know more impromptu conversations are taking place, and we know that those are solving business issues for us.
I think that the collaboration that we achieved between Office Depot, HOK, and Steelcase has resulted in a work environment that, quite frankly, makes us a better company and better able to compete in a highly competitive business environment.